15th group elements. It is very interesting chapter. Okay, 15th group elements here. This is also 50A group elements also. 50A group elements also. Generally, 50A group elements means nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. These are belongs to 50A group elements. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. These are belongs to 50A group elements. So these 50A group elements are also called as nicogens. Nicogens. These 50A group elements are also called as nicogens. The compounds of the 50A group elements are called peptides. The compounds of the 50A group elements are called peptides, and as these elements forms a very pungent smelling compounds. Pungent smelling compounds. Okay, 50A group elements are also called as nicogens. These compounds are called peptides, as these elements form pungent smelling compounds. These elements form pungent smelling compounds. So that's why these compounds peptides. Totally, these 50A group elements are also called as nicogens. The word peptides, it is derived from Greek word nicomix. Nicomix. Nicomix means, which means suffocation. Suffocation. Nicomix means suffocation. Suffocation, it means here unable to breathe. Unable to breathe. Unable to breathe. That means these 50A group elements forms pungent smelling compounds. That means these compounds unable to breathe. అంటే మనం ఊపిరి తీసుకోవడానికి కూడా వీలు లేనటువంటి కాంపౌండ్స్ ని ఫామ్ చేస్తాయి కాబట్టి, అంత పంజెంట్ స్పెల్లింగ్ కాంపౌండ్స్ ని ఫామ్ చేస్తాయి కాబట్టి వీటిని నికోజెన్స్ అని పిలుస్తాం అన్నమాట. నికోజెన్స్, 50A group elements are also called as nicogens. Okay, these elements form pungent smelling compounds. So that's why these compounds are called peptides. The word peptides derives from Greek word nicomix. Nicomix means suffocation. That means unable to breathe. Suffocation means unable to breathe. That is introduction for the 15th group elements. Okay, generally 15th group elements are nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. These are belongs to 50A group elements. Okay, right. The symbols of these elements: nitrogen, N, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Okay, now these symbols of these elements: nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. N for nitrogen, that means P. AS, SB, nothing but antimony. Bi, nothing but bismuth. Okay, its atomic numbers are: nitrogen atomic number is 7. Next, phosphorus atomic number is 15. Next, arsenic atomic number is 33, and antimony atomic number is 51. Last, bismuth atomic number is 83. 83. Okay, nitrogen atomic number is 7, phosphorus is 15, atomic number of arsenic 33, atomic number of antimony 51, atomic number of bismuth 83. Okay, it's easy ga మనం easy గుర్తు పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. A shortcut method here generally. Okay, after that 50A group elements contains 5 valence electrons. 50A group elements contains 5 valence electrons. 5 valence electrons. So that's why the general electronic configuration of these group elements is ns2 np3. ns2 np3. The general electronic configuration of this group is ns2 np3. Okay, right. Here okay, ns2 np3 here like this. If the group elements contains 5 valence electrons, so that's why the general electronic configuration of 15th group elements is ns2 np3. That means 2 plus 3 how much? 5. 2 plus 3 5. That means it is equal to 5 valence electrons. Generally valence electrons is equal to its group number. Valence electrons it is equal to group number. For example, first A group hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These are all belongs to first A group elements. So in these first A group elements, number of valence electrons is 1. Number of valence electrons is 1. In a second A group, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Okay, the valence electrons of second A group elements is 2. That means number of valence electrons it is equal to its group number. Okay, right. That means valence electron that will be decided by its group number. Right. Here 15 group elements are more stable. 15 group elements are more stable or extra stable. Why? Because here completely filled s orbital and half filled p orbital. In these 50A group elements, that means 50A group elements contain completely filled s orbital, half filled p orbital. Completely filled s orbital, half filled p orbital. The presence of completely filled s orbital and half filled p orbitals, these elements are extra stable. Generally ఒక atom more stable గా ఉండాలి అంటే ఆ atom లో completely filled electronic configuration అయినా ఉండాలి, half filled electronic configuration అయినా ఉండాలి. But in these 15th group elements, here it contains completely filled s orbitals and half filled p orbitals are present. So that's why these nothing but 50A group elements are extra stable. Now electronic configuration of 50A group elements means ns2 np3. Why? Because these elements contains 5 valence electrons. Okay, right. Here ns2 np3. Now we are going to discuss about this electronic configuration of each element in these 15 group elements. Okay, right. How can you say 15 group elements are more stable? Here in this 15th group element, completely filled s orbital and half filled p orbitals are present. So that's why these elements are extra stable. Right. General configuration is ns2 np3 here like this. Right. The nitrogen electronic configuration is general 1s2 2s2 2p3. That means atomic number of nitrogen is 7. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. It is completely electronic configuration. Completely electronic configuration. Now I'm writing the electronic configuration with noble gases. Here 1s2 configuration, that is equal to helium configuration. That is equal to helium configuration. Helium atomic number is 2. So its configuration is 1s2. 1s2. These both are similar. So that's why now we can write the helium 2s2 2p3. That is helium 2p3. But here in this helium 1s2 configuration. So here 2s2 3. Next one, phosphorus atomic number is 15. Its electronic configuration is neon 3s2 3p3. Neon 3s2 3p3. Okay. After that, argon 3d10 4s2 4p and krypton 4d10 5s2 5p3. Xenon 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p3. Okay, these are electronic configuration of the 50A group element. Here atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Its electronic configuration is helium 2s2 2p3 2s2 2p3. Then atomic number of phosphorus is 15. Its electronic configuration is neon 3s2 3p3. That means 15 1s2 2s2 2p6. Phosphorus 15 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p3 3s2 3p3. Here 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 6 10. 10 atomic number which belongs to here neon atomic number. That means this electronic configuration is similar to the neon. So that's why instead of this electronic configuration we can write this here neon. ఈ electronic configuration బదులుగా మనం neon రాస్తున్నాం అన్నమాట. So neon 3s 3p3. Okay, next one, argon 3d10 4s2 4p3. Generally atomic number of arsenic is 33. Here argon atomic number is 18 plus 10 18 plus 10 28 plus 2 30 plus 3 33. Here 33 electrons are arranged in the various different atomic orbitals. Okay now, here next one, antimony atomic number is 51. So here krypton 4d10 5s2 5p3, this electronic configuration. And last one is bismuth. Its atomic number of bismuth is 83. Electronic configuration is 14 10 to 63. These are electronic configuration of the 50A group elements. Generally 50A group elements are also called as nicotens. Why? Because these 50A group elements are forms functional spelling compounds. So that's why these compounds are called nictites. Okay, the word derived from the Greek word nicomix. Nicomix means suffocation. That means unable to breathe. Okay, right. This nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, these are belongs to 50A group element. In these 50A group elements, 5 valence electrons are present. Generally the number of valence electrons is equal to its group number. Number of valence electrons is equal to its group number. So this is a 50A group element. So that's why it contains 5 valence electrons. Okay, here the general valence cell electronic configuration is ns2 np3. Why? Because here 5 valence electrons are present. Here 2 plus 3, 5. Okay, these elements are extra stable. Extra stable. Why? Because in this 50A group elements, here in valence shell, completely filled s orbitals, half filled p orbitals are present. Completely filled s orbitals, half filled p orbitals are present. So that's why these are extra stable. Okay. Next, electronic configuration of each element in this 50A group element. Okay. Next one. Atomicity. Next one, atomicity. Here, nitrogen is a diatomic. Nitrogen is a diatomic. Another phosphorus and phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. These three are tetraatomic. P4, AS4, SB4. Tetraatomic. But bismuth is a monoatomic. Bismuth is a monoatomic. Why? Because it is a metal. This is monoatomic. This is monoatomic. Why? Because this is a typical metal. This is a metal. So bismuth is a metal. So that's why this is monoatomic. Okay, right. Here nitrogen is a diatomic. Phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. These are tetraatomic. Tetraatomic. Bismuth is a monoatomic. Why? Because this is a metal. Okay. The physical state of the 50A group elements are: nitrogen is a gas. Nitrogen is a gas. Phosphorus is a white waxy solid. And arsenic, antimony, bismuth. These are three also solids. Okay, these are all except nitrogen, remaining phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. These four solid state. Okay, next one here. And the metallic nature on moving down the group increases. On moving down the group, metallic nature increases. That means here nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metals. Nitrogen is a non-metal. Phosphorus also non-metal. Phosphorus also non-metal. And arsenic and antimony both are metalloids. Both are metalloids. This is also metalloid. Okay, next. Bismuth. Bismuth is a metal. Bismuth is a metal. Here, nitrogen is a non-metal. Here, phosphorus is also non-metal. Arsenic and antimony both are metalloids. And here, bismuth is a pure metal. Bismuth is a pure metal. Here, like this. Once again, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. These are belongs to 50A group elements. The symbols of the nitrogen, Cn, here phosphorus P, arsenic As, antimony Sp. That means Cesium, nothing but platinum. Here antimony means Sp. Bismuth means Bi. These are atomic numbers of these elements. These are electronic configuration. These 5 valence electrons are present. So that's why its electronic configuration is Ns2Np3. And then here, nitrogen is a diatomic, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony is a tetraatomic. Tetraatomic. It contains four atoms in this. Here, bismuth is a monoatomic. Why? Because it connection here. Here, nitrogen and phosphorus are both are non-metals. Arsenic and antimony both are metalloid, and bismuth is a metal, like this. Here, Nitrogen occurs in the earth crust 78% by volume. 78% by volume. Nitrogen occurs in earth crust 78% by volume, and it occurs as a nitrates like this sodium nitrate, which is called chili saltpeter, and potassium nitrate, which is called Indian saltpeter. Okay, nitrogen occurs as a nitrate. This means sodium nitrate, potassium nitrate. Sodium nitrate, it is also called saltpeter. Potassium nitrate, it is also called as Indian saltpeter. But we are going to discuss about phosphorus. Here, phosphorus occurs as in the apatite family. Its formula is Ca9PO4 6 times CaX2. Ca9PO4 6 times CaX2. Here X means chlorine. Ca9PO4 times Af2. That means in place of X here chlorine is substituted. Then this name is fluorapatite. This is fluorapatite. And the next one is Ca9PO4 6 times CaCl2. This is fluorapatite. This is called fluorapatite. And another one is Ca9PO4 6 times CaOH twice. This is hydroxyapatite. Remaining three, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. These three, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, occurs as a sulfide ores or sulfide minerals. Okay. 78% by volume, it occurs as a nitrate, that means sodium nitrate and potassium nitrate. Sodium nitrate, which is called chili saltpeter. Potassium nitrate, which is called as Indian saltpeter. Phosphorus occurs as a apatite family. Its formula of apatite family is Ca9PO4 6 times CaX2. In this place of X2, that means instead of X2 here, chlorine or hydroxide is substituted. Ca9PO4 6 times Ca2. This is fluorapatite. Ca9PO4 6 times CaCl2. This is fluorapatite. Ca9PO4 6 times CaOH twice. This is hydroxyapatite. Okay, next one is a simple trick for identification of atomic numbers. Generally, in first year, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, strontium. This is only example. 8, 8, 32. We adding these numbers, we can find out the atomic number of any element. Here is also hydrogen atomic number is 1. 1 plus 2 here 3. Lithium atomic number is 3. 3 plus 8. Sodium atomic number is 11. 11 plus 8. Potassium 19. 19 plus 18. 37. 37 plus 18. 55. 55 plus 32. 87. Okay, these are identification of atomic numbers in any group, in second group to elements. Okay. Atomic size. Atomic radius means atomic radius. The ion of 50 group less than the group elements. When we are compared to comparison between 14 and 15, here 15 group elements, the atomic and ionic radius of 15 group elements lesser than 14 group elements. That means 14 group elements means are 48 group elements also called carbon, silicon, rubidium, cesium, francium. These are first A group elements. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. These are second A group elements. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. These are third A group elements. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. These are belongs to fourth A group elements, and as far as tellurium, polonium. These are 6A group. Next, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, aspartame. And the last one is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay, first A. This is A. Fifth A, seventh A, eighth A. Today we discuss about like this. 50 A group elements. Okay, atomic radius. Atomic radius here, the atomic radius of the 50 A group elements right on moving from left to right, atomic size decreases. Atomic size decreases. On moving down the group, atomic size increases. But in case of here comparison between 4A and 50A, here atomic and ionic size or radius of the 50A group elements are smaller to compared to that of 4A group elements. Why? Because the nuclear charge increases. The nuclear charge increases on addition of a ఓకే సిగ్నల్ ప్రాబ్లం గా ఉంది కొద్దిసేపు అట్లాగే వెయిట్ చేయండి Sorry for this one. Okay, here atomic radius. Atomic radius, an ionic radius of 50A group elements is lesser to compared to that of 40A group elements. Why? Because here in any group in a periodic table from left to right, in a group, moving down the group in a group, atomic size and ionic size also increases. Why? Because here in a period from left to right, the new electron enters into energy level. New electron enters into, for example, lithium. Lithium, atomic number is 3. Here 1s2, 2s1. That is electronic configuration of lithium. And beryllium. Beryllium, atomic number is 4. Here 1s2, 2s2. Next, boron 5. 1s2, 6. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Next, nitrogen, atomic number is 7. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Next, oxygen, atomic number is 8. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. In all these elements, here we selected only second period. This is first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7. Okay, second period. These are electronic configuration of second period elements. In the second period, the electron enters into same cell or same energy cell, energy level. Here, electron enters in he is also as moving from left to right, the new electron into level. That means period. This is first cell. This is second cell. Second cell. Okay, in this lithium, 1s2 2s1. So here in lithium, 1 electron is present. In case of beryllium, 2s2. In second cell, 2 electrons. That means 1 electron is increased. For in case of boron, another electron is increased. Okay. Start Jala. Okay, here the number of new electrons enters into same level as the attraction increases. That means here the new entering electrons are strongly attracted by this nucleus. Okay, so that's why here the size is decreases. Okay, as entering the new electron, nuclear charge increases on valence shell, then the electron attracted more strongly to nucleus, size is decreased. That means electrons enter the nuclear charge increase కావడం వల్ల ఎన్ని ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఎంటర్ అయితే ఉన్నాయో అంత న్యూక్లియర్ ఫోర్స్ ఆఫ్ అట్రాక్షన్ ఆన్ వాలెన్స్ షెల్ ఇంక్రీజెస్, అంత ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. అప్పుడు ఈ సైజ్ అనేది డిక్రీజ్ అయితే పోతా వస్తుంది ఇన్ ఏ పీరియడ్. But in case of group, on moving down the group, the increasing the new principal cells. As the increases the new principal cells or energy level, atomic size also increases. Okay, here example. Let us say only 4K carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, and 50 nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. Two S2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So here electrons present in the same cell. Okay, for example, we moving down the group. From top to bottom in a group, atomic size